Adding people to a plan in Microsoft Planner is straightforward and allows for easy collaboration on tasks. Here's how you can add people to a plan. Open Microsoft Planner. Log into Microsoft Planner via your Office 365 account and go to the Planner Hub. Select the plan. Click on the plan where you want to add people. If you're using Microsoft Teams, you can also access the plan via the associated Teams channel. Add members to the plan. Inside the plan, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen to open the More Options menu. Select Plan Members from the drop-down. Invite people. In the Plan Members window, you will see an option to add members. Click on it. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to add to the plan. You can add colleagues from your organization who have access to Microsoft Planner or any external guests. Select their names when they appear and click Add. Assign tasks. Once people are added, you can start assigning tasks to them by clicking on individual tasks and using the Assign feature.